Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the dollar yen, we definitely had this big bearish candle on the daily at the 90% fib. Now, this could potentially try to end up making a top right here, but we also could have the bottom of a wave C right down here on the weekly. And if that is the bottom of a wave C, then anything we see to the downside would definitely just be a pullback within an uptrend. So, like I said, this could be a top, so we definitely need to pay attention on sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside. So I got a couple things going on here. First of all, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because if it does just make a pullback to this last wave up, then it potentially would be one, two, three waves to one of these fib levels, and then continue the uptrend. If this up here really is a top, though, like right here is really a top on the daily weekly, then it's more likely going to do something like this, which would be a very impulsive move and eventually break the daily time frame structure. So right now, I definitely would recommend shorts, and hopefully we'd be learning and earning at the same time whether this move is like an A or a 1, and this is either a B or a 2. So I also have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here to watch these Fibonacci retracement levels to help identify the end of either a wave B or a wave 2 for a short for either a wave C or a wave 3, and hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether it is a wave 3 or a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.